Hi, my name is Ethan, and today I'm getting braces. Here's my smile now. Now let's go check it out. I'm headed to Island Smile Orthodontics, and Jamie is going to install braces on my teeth. Everything is all laid out and ready for me. We start with mouthwash for 30 seconds. Before brackets can be put on my teeth, Jamie needs to polish them so they're freshly clean. She places chapstick on my lips so that they won't dry out and crack once she installs the cheek retractor. The cheek retractor is very attractive, but it serves its purpose to keep everything away from touching the teeth. Before anything else is done, air is used to ensure the teeth are dry. This blue gel is called etch. It opens the tubules of the tooth and conditions it to be ready to bond to the bracket. The etch is cleaned off using water and a tool that is used like a vacuum. See how the etch made the teeth look chalky? That's because it dried out those areas. The etch is covered by something called Assure Bond. It's a liquid and smells a bit like nail polish. The Assure Bond is dried with some air. Now we're all set for the first bracket. They won't be bonding any brackets to my 12-year-old molars because they're growing in. Cement is placed on the bracket. By the way, each bracket is different depending on which tooth it will be glued to. The bracket is placed on the tooth. Any excess cement is scraped off. The measuring tool helps line the bracket up with the root. The mirror also helps her align the bracket properly. The UV light is used for 20 seconds to cure it. The bottom is done. And now the top is also complete. Jamie has to check the bite to make sure everything is aligned and all brackets are in the correct position. When she took the cheek retractor out, the braces felt ticklish. These are Damon braces. The gates of the brackets are currently open, and Jamie will close them once the wire is placed. This is the wire. There is a blue line on the wire which shows the midline of the wire. A silver piece next to it is called a stop. This system has replaced the need to put elastic bands around brackets. Squeezing the stop into place crimps it and it sticks to the wire so that the wire will stay put and not slide around in my mouth. She places the stop in between two teeth where there isn't too much crowding, and then she crimps it. Another important step is to trim the wire at the back to keep it from cutting into my cheek. She has to go through and close each gate for all brackets. One last check to ensure all gates on the brackets are closed. And then I'm done. Normally people feel fine when they leave, but by the evening and into the next day, it becomes more painful, up to 72 hours. Jamie discussed with me how to take care of my braces. She told me about brushing techniques, how to clean between brackets, flossing, and using wax to help with any discomfort the brackets cause inside my cheeks. We also talked about what I should be careful eating and other foods to avoid. Foods like raw carrots, popcorn, sticky toffee, corn on the cob, and many other things. I got my braces on and I'm really thrilled. Thanks for watching my video. Bye!